What's up, everybody? I wanted to do a little video on some points for beginners and things to consider when getting into mace swinging. So what made me want to make this video is I see a lot of videos, and there's a lot of people out there that know a lot about mace swinging, and they get into some really nuanced topics in mace swinging, which is cool. You know, there's a lot of stuff to talk about with how to swing a mace, but for a beginner, a lot of it is just going to be confusing. Like, you don't really need to worry about circumducting your spine when you're starting to swing a mace. The mace is going to force you into the positions that you need to get into via the weight and the moment, or the momentum of the swing and the arc and everything. Like, the swing itself will guide you where you need to go. It's a practice thing. Like, there's maybe 1 in a million people picks up a mace, has never touched one before, and can swing it properly, you know, with some weight on it. Almost everybody has to practice it, has to learn how to do it. And their body has to adapt to it because it's a different motion than you're used to. I thought I was going to be good at it going into it because I split a lot of wood as a kid. You know, I swing a lot of big sledgehammers at work. I played softball, I golfed, I did all sorts of stuff like that. So I thought I'd have kind of an in with this tool, but still, it took me a while. And I had some good guys helping me learn that talked about some of these more nuanced parts of it, but it still just kind of clicked eventually for me. And I have a feeling that there's a lot of people that will experience this the same way, which is fine. And that's the whole point. Is it's a journey. And as the skill of the swing develops, it's going to be doing what you want it to be doing to your body. And it's going to be lengthening your triceps. It's going to be opening up your lats. It's going to be doing things like that. It's going to be improving your grip strength. And it's just going to take time, and there's no shortcuts, you know. And especially when you start getting typically dudes that are more muscular, that have a lot of strength and have never swung a mace before, they're not going to walk into it and just do it. They got a lot more tissue to stretch out and open up. So it's going to take a second, but that's okay, you know, because that's what we're trying to do. But just don't forget, you know, it's a journey. It's going to take some time, and that's the whole point. So I guess to get back to it, what I wanted to talk about was order position. I see a lot of people really worrying about what side of their hips their hands are on in order position. I wouldn't worry about that at all the first year or so. I mean, don't put a fixed time frame on it, but that's kind of an advanced thing to consider. I don't really ever consider it. I try to always just bring my hands right back to the center mass as best I can, but that just depends on, I guess, what you're trying to do. So the main thing with order position is just nice and comfortable, and it's just going to be a balancing thing. You just want that mace head, you know, right in front of you, arms down below your belly button, and then when you cast that mace, just don't forget, you're not shooting it straight behind you. It's just going just a little ways so it doesn't hit you. And then you bring it right back to order. You don't have to stop. You can bounce through. The main thing you don't want to do is to do these like real high order positions. You want to extend your arms, control the mace, bring it down, 10 to 2, same. So, anyway, don't get too lost in the weeds. And if you like this video, let us know, and we'll catch you on the next one.